What's up guys, welcome to another video of Telegram bot using Python. In my other videos I talked about creating your bot in BotFodder and writing the code to connecting to that API and talking with your bot. So I'm not gonna go through those videos, those codes and discussions, so you can go to the top right of this video and find those videos, playlist, and get the idea. But for today's video, I'm gonna think different in writing my bot. But what I mean by that, imagine that you have a bot with lots of users. So whenever you want to send an update or announcement or whatever to your users, you need to know the ID of your users. So you can write the code and go through the loop and find the ID of your users and send your announcement to them. Actually, you need a database for that, like SQLite 3, SQL, Postgres, or whatever. But as I told before, I'm not gonna go through this database concept this early, but maybe in other videos I go through that. But for today, I think, or I imagine, I have a database like User ID. So imagine my database is this empty list. Okay, so let's write the bot. I have a message handler, bot dot message handler. I get the message. Not message, commands from the user. What is the command? Is start. So whenever any new user using this start command start using the bot, I send a welcome message to the user like this. I talked about this concept before, so I'm not gonna explain it in more detail. Bot.send message and message.chat.id, and the message is welcome to Coditize bots. Okay, then I check if message.chat.id, which has the ID, the specific or unique ID of your user, not in user ID. So I'm gonna append it. User ID append what? Message.chat.id. This is the process that in real life you go through your database, you connect to your database and store the ID of your user. Okay, but as I said, I imagine my database is this empty list. That's it. Now I need another command, @bot.messageHandler and commands. So I define a specific command for my announcement, like announce or whatever you like, update. Okay, I need a function like send update to users and message as my parameter. For ID in user ID, you need to go through your database and retrieve all ID of users. User ID bot.send message to a specific ID, and the message is, for example, the product is available, or a new product. Yeah, it's better. Okay, let's run the bot and start it. Okay, welcome to Coditize bot. Okay, so my ID is stored here. If I want to send this update message or update command, the bot gonna send me back a new product is available. So if you have 10 users and whenever the admin sends this update, the bot's gonna send back the users this update from your product, your whatever your business is. So go through the code and run it yourself. Maybe you can find better ideas for your business, job, or whatever. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and write your comment under this video. I believe your comments will help me to make more better videos in future. See you soon.